So we're going to zoom in here a little bit and take a minute, get the focus, and just wanted to show you guys hard-working farmer at work, providing doing his part to provide food for the rest of us. Some people's job never stopped, no matter what we did or what happened. They just got to keep going. So next time you meet a farmer, thank them for their hard work. So today's hike and bike adventure down here at the Little Miami River, and a little bit farther to Waynesville. As you see, there's a nice, good covered bridge, and we'll just kind of get you a little closer so you can see from the side angle there, and we'll end up going through there, I'm sure. Hope you guys are enjoying your week. Started off good, and that's kind of cool. So you guys can kind of see from there. Kind of pretty neat. Really like that. I'm gonna take a picture of it and insert it into the video. Check out that tree. It's got all kinds of knots to it. Little side trail. Kind of neat bark there. See some game trails right through there. Pretty cool. Nice sized bark, brought a tree. Massive, massive, massive tree. Pretty sweet. This was definitely a big bridge. Crossing the Little Miami River right now. Much bigger. Love it. So here we are in a Little Miami River Scenic Trail. A little bike trail here. Kind of sits above the road. Something different, something nice. So definitely a different type of forestry than what I'm used to seeing. This is kind of more opened up and more colorful. Definitely see the elevation gain up there for sure. As you can see how beautiful that is. There's your no power line, the way they used to be. There's your no power line, the way they used to be. For those of you that don't know the significance of the sign you're looking at, it's a hill climb. Powell Farm since 1948, better known as the Devil's Staircase. It is a heck of a motorcycle hill climb, and that's October 13th, guys, and it is one heck of a party, let me tell you. We opted to take a quick look around at this little park. We launch our canoes, kayaks, things like that. It's really what this river is really good for. It's not too deep. It's generally just an easygoing, lazy river kind of, and everybody loves it, man. So I thought you guys would enjoy this. And we're about to go underneath the Jeremiah Morrow Bridge. The reason why I'm going to film this is this was a huge bridge, a huge undertaking about a year and a half ago. And it took a long time to go, and it's a pretty good sized bridge, at least for Ohio anyway. I don't know the exact distance, but well, I'm gonna probably say, I don't know, 50, 100 feet, maybe 200 feet. So you can start seeing that bridge and the clearing there. See the treetops way up there. Just always loved this this bridge. It was just so neat. This stuff you would see in Kentucky or something like that. Not so much in Ohio. And it just crosses the little Miami River and this little gorge that we're in. But it is something pretty neat for sure. Yeah, that's got to be a couple 100 feet, I would guess. Pretty neat, man. Pretty neat. Modern America, isn't it? Look at that, man. That is, I just love that stuff. I know probably more than you guys, but I love it. So that's a view of give you guys kind of an idea. You get the river down there and how high it steps up to make that. So right now we're doing 19.5, catch up with mower parts. And there he is. We're down here at the Morgan's canoe and kayak place. So they'll usually come in, and you see the docking there down at the bottom, the little concrete area, so they can get the traction and bring the boats up. Looks like a pretty good deep little spot, and man, that does look nice and peaceful, don't it, guys? Check that out. See the hills in the background? Shadows off the water. Before I jump back on here and take off again, this bridge piece here was new, as you're seeing, the wood. Beautiful horse there in the background. But this section here, through here, in the bridge underneath there, where you can see maybe a plaque, that was done in 1905. Take the helmet off here to get you guys make sure I get you guys in here. So this portion of the bridge was probably the original bridge, probably a trestle bridge. We've seen some pretty good signs of being an old railroad bridge and an old railroad track going along the trail. But there is a plaque down there that reads Riverside Bridge Company, Wheeling, West Virginia, 1905. So pretty neat, you know, that they incorporated that in there. So we're going to go back and catch up on mower parts, and because he's definitely going to be a ways in front of me, and so you can't even see him anymore. definitely tell Motor Parts gets it, don't he? He runs about 12 mile an hour pace on that bike. You wouldn't think it, but he's definitely fast. He always makes things challenging and stops to smell the roses at the same time. It's one of the things I love about coming out here with him. You never know what he's going to teach you, show you. Just awesome friend, man, awesome friend.